Hi, in this lecture, we are going to see about the prerequisites for this course. So here you need a Docker desktop for the Windows and you need to install the Visual Studio 2022 community version, okay, and the basic knowledge of .NET app. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the Docker desktop for the Windows machine. So I will show you that thing, how to check and how to do it. So if you go to the Docker desktop website, so I went to dockerdesktop.com and this link I will share it. And if you see here, this is the prerequisites. You should have this WSL Windows subsystem for Linux to be enabled. Okay. And the OS will support Windows 11, 64 and Windows 10 also. You should home or pro versions. And for to do s- for do to do this, you should have 64-bit processor and 4 GB RAM. And since it works a concept of visualizations, so uh, you have to enable the BIOS settings. For that, this link is there. And also for enabling a Windows subsystem, uh, we have a we have a link for this where we can enable the Windows subsystem. Let me show you that part. If you come here, so I have how to turn on the WSL features in Windows subsystem. So what I'll do is I will click this link. So it goes here and if I come here, so you have to open a PowerShell and you have to install this one. Uh, Since I already installed, I'm not running this command, but if you run this command, it will install it. And once installation is completed, so you have to go to the control panel. So if you go to the control panel and click on Windows turn on features, once you got installed successfully, you can see this Windows subsystem for Linux will be enabled. Okay. And after that, since I already installed Docker desktop. So once you install successfully, you will come this one. And for installations, so once your Docker desktop, it will ask you to do some restart. Uh, so let me show you one thing after installing Docker desktop. So let me go to my desktop screen. So if you come here, your Docker desktop will come here actually. So this is my Docker desktop. So once you install, it will ask you to restart your machine. So try to restart it. And after that, once your Docker desktop ups, so you can see here your Docker desktop is running actually. Still, it's not up. So this color will be changed to a green color. Then only your Docker desktop is working fine. Otherwise, you can check via command prompt. So, just wait. Still, it's not up. Otherwise, you can go to your command window. So once your Docker desktop, so to check the Docker desktop is up or not, just put Docker version. Version will tell you what software you have installed it, what version you have installed. And in order to check your Docker desktop is up, you can put docker.ps. So it is up actually. Okay. That's why see here, this color become green color means your Docker desktop is up. Okay. So once you install this one, you can run your Docker desktop in your Windows. For Linux, you can if suppose a Windows is not working, what you can do is you can install a Docker desktop with Linux. Okay. So to installing a Docker desktop in Linux, let me show you that stuff. So if you go here, installation for Mac and installation of Linux, sometimes your Docker desktop for your Windows version won't support due to some issue. So, so what you can do is you try to install Docker desktop for your Linux. So you should have a Linux in your machine, or you can use any cloud machines. So for installations for Ubuntu or Debian, you can to check this. In case of Ubuntu, come here. So they given the steps. So follow the exact steps. And if you follow this thing, then it will start working. Okay. So these are the steps for installations of your Docker desktop in your machines. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next lecture.